Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can pick up the call without touching the phone. So let's say if you receive an incoming call and you are busy with cooking on both hands, or you're carrying something and you are not able to pick up the phone. So what you can do is you can ask Siri to help you out to pick up the call. So let's have a look at this demo. Hi Siri, pick up. And you can see Siri will pick up the call first. And if you want, you can also ask Siri to hang up the call as well. But in order for us to do that, you need to turn on this option here called call hang up in settings. And we're going to switch it on. So in settings, you go to Siri and search. And then we go down and tap on call hang up. And make sure you switch it on. Then I'm going to go back to the call and I can say, hey Siri, hang up. And Siri will also hang up the call for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.